What's up, y'all? So I was here messing around with this sample here, just doing something different. You know, this is the Earth Disciples Getaway Train. And I took that and I messed around with it. So, so I chopped it up into pieces. Normally I'm on the MPCX, but decided to get on the keyboard. It makes you work differently sometimes, right? All right, man. So that's what I'm doing tonight. What you guys doing? Yo, go to the cyclekit.com. Guys, support your boy. Um, support me like I support you. I love y'all. Respect.